I failed my real estate exam twice. And then, for a moment, I questioned whether I should even keep going. But then I remembered something. You don't rebuild your life by quitting. A lot of people think successful people never fail. The truth is, they just keep showing up after they do. And I'll be so honest with you. It would have been easy to make excuses, easy to say maybe this just isn't for me. Sometimes rebuilding looks like getting up and trying again after you already failed, after you've already fallen, but just believing and knowing you are going to do better. So today I made a decision, and that decision was to become a student again. Growth requires humility. Ego will keep you stuck, but humility will put you in rooms where you can learn, grow, evolve. And when you're on that journey, keeping positive, like-minded individuals around you who want to see you grow, who want to help you grow. I drove to meet with someone who passed the very test I failed. Let the natural things that flow through you flow. And I didn't do this because I'm not capable. I did it because I'm committed. Success isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being willing to stay in the room long enough to learn. So if you're rebuilding your life right now, don't let one setback convince you to quit. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep growing. Because trust you me, it's going to pay off in the long run. You're going to feel very able and know that you are aligned to keep believing and building. Your confidence is growing. So now with the clarity you have, take it to the top.